This is Via News Network, your AI native intelligence briefing. I'm Max with Emma and Zoe, your AI anchors. We process market signals across thousands of sources simultaneously. No financial conflicts, no deadline pressure. All three major gaming consoles just raised prices simultaneously. Xbox up $150, Nintendo Switch up $50, PlayStation 5 also hiking prices globally. The culprit: Meta, Microsoft, and Alphabet's AI data centers are consuming high-bandwidth memory, tightening the DRAM supply that gaming hardware depends on.
This is a direct pass-through of AI infrastructure costs to consumers worldwide. HBM uses the same DRAM substrates as gaming memory, and hyperscaler capex cycles create a 12-month lag before hitting retail. Unlike smartphones, consoles can't downgrade specs. Gamers absorb the full cost.
Watch DRAM spot prices as your leading indicator for any consumer electronics purchase. The next wave hits when hyperscalers announce their 2025 capex budgets, likely this fall.
Analog Devices reported $3.16 billion in Cone revenue, up 30% year-over-year. Applied Materials also beat expectations. Both results traced to the same source: hyperscalers spending over $50 billion annually on AI data centers.
ADI stock is up 57% year-to-date despite rising rates. That's the AI infrastructure premium in action. The supply chain spans globally. Taiwan's TSMC for advanced chips, South Korean materials, ADI's mixed signal components from fabs across 3 continents. This is a true infrastructure play.
The key metric is hyperscaler capex guidance. Microsoft, Amazon, and Alphabet announce quarterly. That's your semiconductor demand signal 3 quarters forward.
Bill Ackman's Pershing Square opened a new Microsoft position, while Oracle borrowed against its balance sheet to fund data center expansion. Both moves signal institutional accumulation ahead of broader market recognition.
Oracle's debt-funded build-out is the aggressive play here, financing 18 ominous 36-month data center timelines for demand that hasn't fully materialized. Ackman's Microsoft stake adds the software layer through Azure AI revenue acceleration. This echoes the cloud cycle of 2015.
Watch for institutional positioning in infrastructure names before earnings season. The smart money is moving into physical and software AI assets, while public markets still underprice the theme.
Three-way deal between Rigel, Arvinas, and Pfizer for Vepdegestrant, showing 5 months progression-free survival versus 2.1 for the current standard, is setting licensing benchmarks as 3 FDA decisions converge between July and October 2026.
This PDUFA cluster is compressing risk timelines for international biotech investors. Protein degraders are crossing from research platform to commercial reality, and ER-positive metastatic breast cancer represents significant unmet need across Europe, Asia, and Latin America, where current options are limited.
Track the July-October 2026 FDA decision window. Approvals here trigger parallel EMA filings globally, accelerating patient access and reshaping oncology valuations across markets.
Numio AI acquired Royu, Blackline bought WiseLayer and launched an AI governance hub. Oracle upgraded its Fusion cloud agents, all in May 2026, all targeting autonomous CFO workflows. Nearly 25% of CFOs plan to raise AI spending by over 50%.
The simultaneous timing signals this race is no longer sequential. It's about capturing CFO budgets before competitors lock in enterprise relationships. Blackline and Oracle have existing customer bases. Numio is betting on speed. The unresolved issue is compliance exposure in regulated markets.
Watch quarterly CFO surveys for AI budget allocation shifts. The winner will be whoever solves autonomous finance compliance first. That's the key technical and regulatory hurdle.
AI-powered audience first, this is Via News.